Hello, dear students. This is your seventh practical of software testing. So, the practical title is Design Test Cases for Control and Decision Making Statements. So, I know everybody will familiar with the control and decision making statements. Everybody cleared the subject of C, CPP, and Java in previous semesters. Okay, so everybody is familiar with the control and decision making statement. So here we have to perform testing on for loop, do while loop, if else statement. Okay, uh, and switch case. So we'll just check the practical significance. So what is the significance of this practical is the fundamental assumption of code coverage testing is that to expose bugs you should exercise as many paths through your code as possible. The more path you exercise, the more likely your testing is to expose bugs. A path is a sequence of branches or conditions. A path corresponds to a test case or a set of inputs. Code coverage is a measure which describes the degree of which the source code of the program has been tested. It is one of the form of white box testing. Yes, it is a one of the form of white box testing. Here you need to check the decision making and control statements, right? So it is a part of code, but you need to have knowledge about the code, right? Here you need to perform the dynamic white box testing. In this practical I have already given you the programs because we don't have any project right now, right? So we don't have the code with us, so I have taken four programs for each decision making and control statements. Okay, so you need to perform testing on that particular programs, right? So basically the programs are you need to execute that programs on a JDK, right? It is the Java programs, so you need to execute it on your JDK. Then after execution you need to apply test cases and you need to perform the bug report, right? So I have already given you the programs. You need to prepare test cases, right? I have already told you in a previous practical. From now onwards I am not going to give you a test cases because in your theory paper there is a question. You need to prepare test cases for a particular application. So preparing test cases, what kind of things should be considered, so that knowledge need to be you guys need to be familiar with that also. That's why I have given this task to you. Okay, so you need to prepare test case for that too. So here this practical helps the students to provide a capability to dictate the logical flow of execution and the design test cases to check the control and decision making statements. Here you need to perform the dynamic white box testing. So what you are going to check, you are going to check the each and every statement. You need to cover all statement, you need to cover all possible branch, you need to cover all condition coverage. Okay, and you need to find the complexity. Okay, so we are not going to find out the cyclomatic complexity, but we are consider the different coverages while performing the dynamic white box testing in this particular programs. Okay, so what is the relevant program outcome? This we have already seen in previous practicals too. So what are the different relevant practical outcomes are basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practices, then engineering tools, then ethics. Okay, and then individual and teamwork. So these are the relevant program outcomes. Next is a competency and practical skills. So what skills you are going to gain, apply types and levels and the methods of the software testing on application. So you are going to identify the decision and control making statements and design code using the same statements, right? So use the different software testing concepts, ability to write system specification of the systems and ability to design test cases for the given systems. Okay, so relevant course outcomes are prepare test cases for different types and levels of testing, and the practical outcome is you need to write program. So program is already done. You need to design test cases for the following control and decision making statement and prepare bug report. Okay, so which kind of statements we are going to consider? For loop, switch case, do while, and if else. Okay, so these are the programs. So for loop I have taken the program. I am going to print the even numbers from the list of 0 to 10. Okay, not even number specifically. I am just increase my counter by 2, and the looping starts with the 0 till 10. Okay, so it will print 0 2 4 6 till 10. Okay, so you need to prepare test cases for this program. For loop, you need to prepare test cases for switch case program. Okay, so what is the switch case program? So here in this program you need to pass the day in number. If you are passing 5, so it will print Friday. If you are passing 3, then it will print Wednesday. Okay, so you need to prepare test cases for this program to perform positive and negative testing too. Okay, so next is do while loop. For do while loop, I have taken just you need to print the numbers from number 0 to 5. Okay, uh, then for if else I have taken if you are passing the number, suppose here is 22. So what is it going to print? It going to print good evening. Okay, you need to prepare test cases for this if else condition too. Okay, so I have prepared a single test case for loop. Check whether loop is incremented by 2 or not. So you need to apply this test case and on the particular for loop program, and need to prepare a bug report. Okay, so here you need to prepare a bug report. So while preparing bug report, please mention here that for what purpose you are going to check. So first mention here for loop, then write the test cases for the for loop program, then mention if else, then prepare apply the test cases for the same and prepare bug report, then mention do while, then mention switch case. Okay, so like that you need to prepare bug report for this practical. Okay, so this is it with the 7th practical. Okay, thank you.